Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoworld. Me Salim and you watching Cryptoworld. On your screen is market overview and after that I will go to discuss the technical analysis of BTC, BNB, Ethereum and also some other top coin which is most important to discuss with you today. So that's why don't skip the video and the middle, watch the video till end. So guys, if you see here, this is the top gainer coin 7.1 to earn 10 rights. Now the top loser APPC and the total volume coin, top volume coin BTC and highlight coin mana, right? So here if you see this BNB, BTC and Ethereum, I told you one thing about the BNB, BTC and Ethereum. These all are matched together, right? Once BTC going down, these two are going with the same direction. If BTC going up, it's going with the same, with upper direction. So at this stage, I told you one thing. I tell you one thing. If maybe most of the viewer not agree with me on this point, but BTC is less dangerous than BNB, right? And uh, Ethereum is less danger than BTC, right? So the most danger coin is BNB because BNB dependent on BTC. So when BNB dependent on BTC, so we don't want to hold BNB because BNB depend on BTC, so it's not a good at all. And Ethereum depend on BTC, but like 80%, not 100%. And BNB depend on BTC like 110%. So that's why it's looking very as my prediction. I check all like previous 1 year 1 month data on where BTC, where BNB always dependent on BTC moving up and down, right? So price change distribution you can check here, right? Price up 973 and price down 388, and this is all about the top movers, which is City, LSK and When nulls, right? So this is all about the all about the market overview, right? So top mover here, and also if you see, I'm going toward the favorite coin, which is BTC, Ethereum, and BNB Solona. Solona also going, and Avalanche also, and Luna dot. I take dot like 100 plus token I take from dot, right? And LS I also take LS some token, which right now 12 point something, right? And Matic I have also. So here I will discuss first of all BTC. If you see the BTCs I discussed in my previous update, if you see my previous video, my previous video of crypto update, crypto technical analysis and crypto updates. So I just point out the bearish and bullish support level of BTC. So yesterday BTC tried to break this bearish level, and yes, of course, BTC try and success to break the first support level of BTC, and after that again it's go toward the upper side. So let me just, if you see here, right, especially at this point, if you see at this point BTC success to break the first support level, but after that it's again go toward the upper direction, and this support level again come in safe zone. So it's look like it's what I told you in my previous video, that this till the end of this year, like in few days, like 9 10 days, and the middle also Christmas coming and also New Year. So after, in this 10 to 8 days, this fluctuation will come, but I didn't think so that I'm thinking that it will not go to break that bearish level, the support level. And for sure after the first January, means the first quarter of 2022, the market will go up. For hopefully the market will go up. So right now BTC on the same trend, like in the middle, and a correction stage. We can't say anything that it going toward bullish and it going toward bearish. Totally. If anybody told you about the bearish and bullish, it's per my knowledge, per my experience, per my candlestick chart analysis, the market still in correction, not bullish and not bearish, and it's in between. It's in between the top and bottom points. So you can't say that it's going down, it's going toward bearish and going toward bullish. So this is all about the all about the the BTC. So let's we go to study Ethereum. So Ethereum, same motion, same zigzag, 37 to 4, 3700 to 4000, and in between 3700 and 4000, in the middle of these two, it's going up down, and it's same like what I told you about the BTC, same like that. It's just a few days, and after this few days, the correction will be success. And after this correction, the market at the first quarter of 2022, the market will come down or the market will come up. But for sure, the market will go high. So this is all about the Ethereum, and I told you that Ethereum is dependent 80% on BTC value. When BTC going up, Ethereum going up, and BTC going down, Ethereum going down. But yes, 20%, you can say 20%. It's so we if you see BNB, as per my knowledge, BNB is the worst coin, BSB and the worst coin in the market, because it's fully dependent, 110% dependent on BTC. So when a thing fully dependent on BTC, so it's mean that we are not in we have to think before going to buy BNB or BTC. So as per my opinion, it's better than we buy BTC than BNB if anybody interested in BNB, because there is, if you see, there is a lot of staking, there is a lot of fund of BNB, there is a lot of volumes on BNB stake, and still have people have BNB. It is the world, I think it's the third most volume, and in the form of dollars that placed in crypto market. But still, BNB value dependent on BTC. When BTC going up, it's going up. In BTC going down, it's going down. So as per my knowledge, I'm never recommend that you people buy BNB. So this is all about the BNB update. If you see the same what we call it, the same moving average, the same exponential moving average, everything same like what RSI index, everything what like it's on the same path of going on the same path of BTC, right? So if you see on the third one, Solona is uh, Solona is also depend BTC as the backbone of every cryptocurrency, but not like that. That you have to be fully dependent on BTC. Solana is also a blockchain coin. It's a good coin at this point. Solana have a very strong influence in the market. If you want to invest, so invest like at least take one Solana, you will take a good benefit, because Solana, yes, of course, Solana lowest point is 168 and highest 181, and it's in between this. But very fast Solana will cross $200, because Solana highest value is, per my experience, 243 or 250 like that. So Solana will cross its level, its ATH very soon. So guys, this is all about the Solana, and Solana is a good coin at all. It's also same like what we call it, uh, same motion like BTC, but not like that. It's almost like 60 to 70% dependent on BTC. So this is all about the Solana. If you wanted to take Solana, it's a better chance in that. It's a good time to take Solana. Avalanche, same. If you see 15%, it's so when it's rise 15%, so it's mean that BTC only rise 5, and it's also one of the best coin which is mostly dependent on itself. Luna is going on the top, and you, I think it's a peak position, so you don't want to take in Luna. If also you see dot, I take dot like almost almost I take dot like 113 token I take, 113 token I take from dot, and dot highest level is 73. But we are, is per my opinion, till the end of the year, our maximum on the first quarter, it will reach its highest level. And as per my expectation, I will make some good money, like my money will be double, expecting that. So the lowest is 223.2. It's not going low more than this level. As per my experience, it's the very bearish level, and after that, it's not possible that dot will come from down from this level, because uh, if because of the base and the fundamental of dot is very strong, and you see dot auction everywhere and dot staking everywhere. So dot have a lot of stake fund, and dot have a lot of volume in the form of US dollar, in the form of money. So that's why if you take, this is the 2020, the let me show you the peak, which is 23, right? So I think so. Wait, let me minimize. So at this stage, this is 20, this is 23, right? So at this stage, in 24 hour, the lowest volume. But this is, if somebody take in 20 July 21 and $10, so right now he have like good profit he did from this dot. So dot at this point, take dot and take dot and hold dot, and it will give you a good benefit at all. So we are going to our atom is also one of the good project, one of the good coin to buy, and atom mostly dependent of dot. And if you see to ls, so ls also, ls come down from 26 to $11, and right now it's on $12. And I take almost like 10 to 9 token. I take like 9 token in ls also at the price of 11 to 12, in the middle of 11 to 12. So ls also will go on boom as per the metaverse project. But the metaverse look like the, I will discuss about the metaverse in my other video. But I don't like metaverse because of it's also dependent on BTC. I need a token, I need a coin, I need a platform which is not totally dependent on BTC. So here is every coin. If you see, most of the coin, like 70-60% of each coin depend on BTC. So this is the big problem when the market, when the BTC fluctuating. So all the market fluctuated with the trading of BTC. So this 27, the highest point of LS 27 right now on 12 or 11. So a good a good, and this is a good time to invest in ls, like 10 to 12 token, 20 token. Check your pocket and just buy it, right? So san in mana and eng matic, this sorry, mana and san, this all about the this all about the token of metaverse, right? So if you see here, matic is one of the best coin, and it's not dependent on any BTC blah, because from the past 1 week it's not fluctuating with the BTC. Yes, it's fluctuating with itself, with its volume. It's a real fluctuating coin, and I take this coin, and I take 55 token, but before not, right? And a good price. I take share also try to boom to its highest level. And I discuss one more coin, which is axis, right? Axis and axis coin, okay, right? All crypto. So this is axis infinity, right? So axis infinity also uh axis infinity also down its value, losing its value day by day, and it's come to 95. And I take XZ, one XZ, I take personally, and $150. So right now I'm waiting that it will cross the 150, and I will see the statistics. If it's looking good, so I will hold it. It's not good, so I will sell the token at this time, right? But I'm not worried about the 150 price of XZ, because I stick XZ and Binance taking portion, I stake exit, and I'm earning some little exit every day. So it's enough for me. Because I also earn some, I also earn some staking and reward, and after that I will try to sell with a good price. So exit at this point looking good. If you wanted to take, so take exit, because it's a good time to take exit. But Yes, of course. On Axis, there is one token which is dependent on Axis, which is SLP, right? SLP, smaller portion, right? So this, what about that SLP? If you see the SLP also dependent, 100% dependent on Axis. When Axis have some new games, right? So at this game, Axis SLP come to use and to take the characters, to take the a reward, or to take the anything which is at the part of the game. So with this SLP, the price, or with this Axis game, the price of SLP rise because of what? Because of taking different character with the help of SLP. So that's why SLP not SLP from a long time not looking on boom. I take also some SLP, and I have SLP, and I will hold SLP for a better time. If you see the graph of SLP, it's down, 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 and still on this way. If they have if they try to maintain this graph, this chart, or this figure, so it's possible that it will add one more zero to its in its value, like 0.003. So let's see. But possible that first quarter of 2022 it will remove 10 from its front. So guys, this all about the update of crypto. I think this update will be very simple, and you will get much more benefit from my this video, from my this update. If you need on any other way, you have any suggestion for update, or you have any kind of difficulties, if you have any kind of good knowledge, please share with me in my comments, and will be and from next time I will be on that way if it's looking good for all the viewers. Thank you for watching. Stay with us for more upcoming